muna para sa... They're dividing, right? Yeah, listen, we're gonna hit shallow on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow on the gate, shallow on the gate, shallow on the gate, shallow on the gate. Fast kill, fast kill. Listen, come back. Come back. Listen. Hold. Support your boys. How much percentage of the gate? Listen. Come to me.
78%.
78% pa. Sige. Yeah, listen. Click the door. Click the door. Listen. Come on. Listen. We're gonna do fake, okay? Listen, pop your boots west in 3, 2, 1. Just pop your boots to the west. Don't get jet. Listen. Hold. Hold. Listen. Ready. Yo, click the door. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You southeast now. Hit the shit. I need damage. Listen. Come back. Listen. Hold for now. Yo, boys, you need to follow me, okay? Listen. Come. Hey, listen. Got you. Hold on me. Yo, listen. Pop your boots, sis, okay? Pop your boots, sis, in 3, 2, 1. Just pop your boots, sis. Okay? Listen, hold now. Listen, hit shallow, okay? Hit shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Damage. Listen. Come back. They're gonna hit. Just come back. Don't overstand. Listen. Got you. Come here. Hold. Ready? West side shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southwest on me. Just on me. Damage. Nice shit. Listen. Hold now. Hold on. Listen. Come to me northwest. Got you. Come to me northwest. Come to me northwest. Listen. Come to me northwest. Listen. Hold on me. Listen, you're gonna engage. Listen, we're gonna hit shallow, okay? Just fake, okay? Pop your boots out in 3, 2, 1. Just pop your boots to the south. Listen, shallow in 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Nice shit. Listen, we're gonna die here, boys. We're gonna fight, okay? Listen, hold now. Come to me. Hold me. Listen. Hold. Listen, look at the south side, okay? Listen, pop your boots out in 3, 2, 1. You pop your boots out shallow. Listen. Come back to me. Listen, we get a full southwest, okay? Yo, ready southwest. Walk southwest in 5. Push your boots. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything down south. Pop your boots. Yo, pop your motions. It gets out. Baby. It gets out. Listen. Push us out with me. Just push us out with me. Listen, push us out. Just keep push us out. Keep push us out. Listen, soak now. Everything we've got in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Utama sa the choke. Hit the shit. Listen, pula. Just pula.
Ilang nerd ba yun?
Ang laki.
Puro homes lang ata yun. Laki. Nice, okay lang.
Laki nun.
Nice game.
Nice game.
At may namatay. May nakill tayo.
Yeah.
Ganda. May butawan.
Sayang yung West kanina, Gar. Nag-hit na yung sabong dun eh. That's why we just need to follow up na lang.
Naka-engage naman pero kulang na yata damage.
Oo, parang nasustain.
That's why I called for Poppy Potions para di kayo ma-hold. Kasi we need the full damage there eh. Even though we got wiped there, as long as we have a good trade, I mean, that's not bad, you know?
Pain is coming.
Yeah, it was nice game though. Nice try, boys. Nice try, nice try, nice try. Boys, when I say pop your poses, you need to pop your poses 6 time, okay? Because we really need that trade. We really need that trade, man. If you just pop your poses, especially in the DPS side, then you followed through. I think we can delete most of that because they already popped the defensive there. Wait, I have VOD. I'm gonna show you for a bit. Then I'm gonna pull out. So I need to do my drug dealing at the moment.
Ang ina,
I
pinapaya
don't
ko
have-
ni Bulma.
Don't have time. I mean, at least we're not zero, right? We killed some.